make you a nice lovely vegetarian dish, which is gonna be, today I'm gonna make you a nice lovely vegetarian dish, which is gonna be curry sweet potato. It's lovely and nice, simple, easy to make, and I'm gonna give you the recipe. Hopefully you guys love the recipe. It's a vegetarian dish, and I'm telling you, there's no lovely dish for yourself. Lovely dish. Nice. So as you can see out of the recipe which I have right here, I just cut up some garlic. You need a lot of garlic, and half of white onion, a little bit of spring onion. I use at least 6 cloves of garlic. This is the way the potato look. All you need to do is remove the skin. When you remove the skin, simple, cut them into some dices like this, very small, and cook them off for a nice good 10 to 15 minutes. You don't, on a medium size heat, you don't need to add any salt. All you need is just water. Remove the skin from the potato and cut them into some dices and cut them up very small like this size. Well, I have right over here in my glass a glass of tomato, chopped tomato, and also we're going to use a spoon of curry. First of all, I'm going to show you all the recipe, how you did it in the pot. Very easy and simple, quick vegetarian dish. Hopefully you enjoy the dish. You can put many things in it as you like, what you want to put when I finish make it and show you. If you want to add more veg, if you want to add more potato. But this is the way potato look, the orange potato. Remove the skin, cut it into dices. And I'm alright over here, I'm using that roughly half kilos of sweet potato right here. So hopefully, as you can see right here, I have a medium sized frying pan on the stove. Pretty about 2 minutes now since I have it on a medium sized heat. Well, I'm gonna simply now put some olive oil inside of it. 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Wow, they must say that chef you love cooking olive oil and curry. But when you have a lot of recipe where you can share with others, it is really brilliant. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make you a nice curry paste by simply putting roughly half tablespoon of curry inside of the frying pan. Burn off the curry very good inside of the frying pan with that beautiful oil inside of the frying pan. The reason why I love to cook in this one, because I definitely use this one for my curry, most of my curry. Then get also all of those seasons which we were talking a while ago. White onion, garlic, and also spring onion. Beautiful. Some fresh thyme also inside of it. Put on some heat underneath the frying pan now and fry up this one good nice 3 to 4 minutes inside of the frying pan. Lovely recipe. So I know you can see I'm just take off the onion with the garlic roughly for about 3 minutes now since I've been having it like this, and keep stirring it in the meantime, guys. Then what I'm gonna simply do now, I'm gonna put the chopped tomato paste in it, chopped tomatoes inside of it. 1 glass will work out to 1 tin. Give it a nice little stir like this. Beautiful and nice. And then simple, just like this. What you need to do now, turn it on a medium sized heat and leave it for cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. So looking lovely and nice in the pot so far, and right now is roughly about 6 to 7 minutes now since I have it, and I keep stirring it in between, guys. Lovely. So what we're gonna do now, because I'm already boiled off my sweet potato, now I'm gonna pour it inside of the pan like this. And now I'm just gonna simply mix it up, and I wanna say trust me guys, this is a nice lovely vegetarian dish. If you're a vegetarian, this will go really well with you. If you're at home, and trust me, there's no salt inside of this, only inside of the curry. I would say there is salt, or probably inside of the chopped tomato, but inside, otherwise there's no salt when I was cooking it. And trust me guys, you will love this recipe. Try it at home, please, I'm asking you. So now leave this to simmer down for another 4 to 5 more minutes. So, nice. Now this is finished, looking lovely and really nice, and hopefully you guys love the recipe. So this is finished. Now I'm gonna share it out for you now, guys. Lovely one, lovely one. So nice, looking lovely, good. So now I'm just gonna simply share it out just like this, and hopefully you guys will love it. As you can see, looking really good, beautiful and nice. And as I say, you can have this on its own. You don't need to have it with anything else. This is just a nice lovely vegetarian meal. So hopefully you guys will love the recipe, as you can see. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel, put your comments below. And as you can see, it's a nice lovely curry sweet potato vegetarian dish. And we have a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. Visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk, and also please leave us a comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as I said, a recipe is coming out. So enjoy the recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Thank you very much guys for watching Chef Ricardo.